The first badges I want to show are the starting, the first like, and the power liker badges. These badges are implemented in the ARIS community, so there is no interaction with the analytics from Reveal. The starting badge is given to a user when he first logged in into the ARIS community. So when a user registered in the ARIS community, he don't have any badge. He had to log in for the first time to get this badge. It's something like a goodie. The next badge is the first like badge. The user have to like, for example, a post to receive this badge. This is a post in the ARIS community from this user. And here we can see the number of views and the number of likes. In addition, we can see the number of comments and the tags associated with this post. When we want to like this post, we have to click this button, this like button. Then it said you like this, and after this, there's one like for this post. Later, I want to show how these badges are implemented. So we create a new user and try the first login badge, and after this, the first like badges. Now I want to show the 10th times badges, so the power liker. This is something which is given to the user, for example, when he like, for example, posts or images or comments for 10 times. So, for example, when the user likes 10 posts, he receives this power liker badge. The next badges I want to introduce are the Who Are You and the Ready badge. These badges are given to the user when he fills his profile. The Who Are You badge is given to the user, for example, when he fills this homepage field, this country field, this About You field, and this profession field. When the user fills these fields with information, the badge triggers and the user receives this badge in his profile. When the user fills all other fields, for example, the Twitter, the Facebook, the Xing, and the LinkedIn profile field, he receives an additional badge with a star. This is the Ready badge. The next class of badges are the badge that happens in the community when the user interacts in the community. For example, when he contributes something, when he likes something, or create a comment. These three badges are given to the user for a specific number of posts that the user publishes in the community. For his first post, he gets this badge with 1 star. For the 5th post, he gets the badge with 2 stars, and for 10 posts, he gets the next badge with 3 stars. The next 3 badges are an example of how a score in the Reveal application can be realized as a badge. For example, the ARIS community get the total post count of the Reveal Enterprise application. If this if this number is now implemented in the ARIS community, one can write a badge for this number. For example, the total number of posts have to be over 1000 to get this badge. It's the same for the number of comments and the number of likes. For example, if a user have 100 comments or more than 100 likes, one gets these 3 badges. The next badges I want to introduce are the event badges. Right now there are 2 event badges in the ARIS community. These are the CeBIT and the Innovation World badge. A user receives this badge after one manually registered at a software AG booth on one of those events. For example, in the profile of Rune Becker, one can see that there is the CeBIT participant badge. This means that Rune Becker visited CeBIT and also visited the Software AG booth at CeBIT and registered as a participant on the booth of Software AG. After this, the badge is assigned to Rune Becker.